Hello everyone, welcome once again to Ganiva Edge. The episode is going to be really friendly, not that formal. So I'm going to unbox my light kit with you. I personally ordered them for my YouTube channel and I tag most of YouTubers because if you are a small YouTuber like me and you don't have enough money to buy all those light kits and the stuff, then you can budget and just import some outside the country. I have the list here. I have the list here. I'm going to give you all the list as well, so you know the shipping fee and the rest, and you can order them for themselves. So you can see some light flashing here actually. Let me show you guys. So I also bought this beautiful lights. Let me turn it on so you know what I'm talking about. Oh, my eyes. So this is it. Okay, this is the lights I ordered from China. Very, very affordable. I must tell you, it's very, very affordable. Now I need to put it back and so it can shine upon me. I need to be shining, you know. Oh my goodness, my eyes. So this is for YouTubers that you don't have enough money to buy light kits. Now let's unbox this together. This is my tripod. My tripod I ordered. The tripod is, I have the list here. The tripod is, why is it 23 23.76 yuan. Now when you change it into Ghana cedis, it is 30.76 Ghana cedis. So let's say 31 Ghana cedis, this tripod. You see it? That's the one I'm currently using to film my video. I would have shown you, I'll put the picture here so you know what I'm talking about. So this is it. This is the tripod I'm talking about. I ordered this one too from China at 31 Ghana cedis. I'll tell you the shipping fee at the end of the video. And this too is my light the soft box. This is the soft box as well. The soft box. The soft box is also, the soft light box is 19 yuan, and when you convert it to Ghana cedis, it is 42.2 Ghana. So 42 cedis. The soft light. This is how it looks like. This is its package. Now let me put it something here. This is how it looks like. You see it? Now you will open up like this. See how it is. Very affordable. See how it is. And this is the part you will plug into the sockets. Then you hang it into your tripod. Then you put in the light, the bulb here. Okay. So the tripod the tripod for my phone is 23.76. When you convert it to Ghana cedis, that's 30.76 Ghana cedis. That's 31 Ghana cedis. And the tripod that I will use the light bulbs to insert on, like the one I have behind my camera right now, you guys can see, is 7 yuan. So 7 yuan, when you convert it to Ghana cedis, is 16.16 Ghana cedis. I have the list here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see this? I'm not sure. I have everything here. When I'm ordering something, I just write the list here. So I have everything here. So I'm talking about this. This. Talking about this. I can't show you everything or like, that's how I ordered for 7 yuan. And 7 yuan is 16 Ghana cedis. 16 Ghana cedis. That's it. And I also have my wireless microphone here. I'm already using one here. Let me do my camera. I'm already using one here. This is how it looks like. I hope you see it very well. This is how it looks like. And one is already here. And I'm having the one here, and I'm having the transmitter inside my phone. So this is it. I ordered everything from China. I already know how to order it from China. So how do you expect me from order it in my country while I can use that money to buy times two? So the list for my wireless microphone is 48. I can't see this thing. No, I wrote it by myself. So I'll post it here. I'll post it somewhere here because I wrote it and I can't see it very well. I'll post it here in the video for you guys to see. And I also have this. To be frank, I've spent a lot, but the a lot would have been more expensive if I bought it in my country. So this is it. See this thing? Yeah. So already I'm having one. This one is holding my phone right now. I'm talking with you. And with the tripod on my phone, this is it. So you can just put it down, put your phone in and record yourself. And these two are the lights, the wire. So this is wire microphone, but I'm having a wireless one here. And we also have this as a tripod. So this one is a tripod. You can simply use it maybe in your live stream or something like that. You use it. And I also have these here that you can switch them on and off. I need to even put it here, so I'll keep writing, right? Sorry guys. Yes, and the light is lighting. So this one too, the price is light kit, that's 43.20. When you convert it into our currency, Ghana cedis, that's 96 Ghana cedis. 96 Ghana cedis. Yes. So these are all my light kit. And I also have, so this is the one that the bulb was in, as you can see. This is, so I bought two buses of lights. And we have this one too, in case you are not using the soft light bus. You can just, one is already in progress. I'm using it, it's at work. Say I'm at work, So we have this one. You just, let me open it. You just open it like this, and you put in the bulb here. Then you plug it. You plug it from here, just like I'm using it right now. And the one behind me, behind my phone, is the lights, the soft burst I'm using. So these are all the things, and I have a whole lot of things in here. So these are the light stands. That's the 7 yuan 16 Ghana cedis. This is it. This is it. The one I just showed you guys. Oh, it also has rubber here. Now this is what I'm talking about. That's 16 Ghana cedis. In Ghana, you buy more than that. Shine upon me, shine. So this is for my YouTubers. If you want to know how to import from China at a very wholesale prices, just follow my channel along or you can easily use it for your TikTok videos, for your Instagram videos, for your Facebook videos, and new light system. You see people selling it online. It's very, very cheap. You can also invest and sell it the same as well. So if you want to know how I imported everything from China, then you need to follow this channel along so you can know how I imported everything. So this is product review on the things I bought from China to start my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you watch me, please do also subscribe to the channel, like this video, share to others as well so they know someone is teaching importation for free. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay focused. Bye.